To start the setup process for your device, you want to first open up your Pulse app. Once your app is opened, press the blue plus in the bottom right and then select your device type. Before you start searching, make sure you enter the pairing mode on your device. To enter the pairing mode on your device, you want to press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds. Once you've entered the pairing mode, press the search button and wait 15 to 30 seconds for your device to be found. Once your device is found, search for your Wi-Fi, select your 2.4 GHz only network, enter in your Wi-Fi password, and then press connect. Once your device is configured, your new device will appear on your dashboard shortly. Have questions or need extra help? Reach out to us directly at support@pulsegrow.com or 888-537-8573.